So current process today, trying to actually set up the office properly. So we've got 2 desks being put up. Annoyingly, they're 2 different desks and I don't think they're the same size, so one's going to be uneven to the other. But a good good craftsman never blames his tools, so we'll find a way around it. I've got my teammate down here, Mr. J, blended in. Hey mate, you're helping that, ain't you? Yeah, good boy. Yeah, Jay's there to give me reassuring licks throughout the day. You can see at the moment we're building up this unit. It's another bookshelf because of the amount of reading I do, either on music or marketing, whatever I read on. You can see one bookshelf that's completely stacked, packed to the rafters. So this is a deeper one, bigger one. It's going to go next to it, and then we're going to be building here is a desk, and that's going to be going, well, somewhere I believe here next to this one, which is currently up. So there'll be 2 desks, this one, and then just here, coming down here, will be like an L-shaped desk. And if you look at the rest of the room, that's being partitioned out, it's just, look at the state of it, it's just everything everywhere. So after this has been built, I've then got to try and do some clearing out. Spring coming, so it's spring cleaning. It's a lot of stuff though. I mean, look at it all. Oh, I'm gonna be busy on eBay, I think. Spock, maybe Gumtree. But Gumtree's a bit. You get a lot of weirdos on Gumtree, I find. Just a lot of random people from like Nigeria and Botswana saying, "Can you deliver? I don't know. Can you deliver that book personally?" Or, "Oh, I want to buy that sofa off you. Do you post?" So post, okay, not really, but probably arrange courier. Where to? And they're like, Botswana. Botswana? I'm gonna send a bloody sofa to Botswana. I'm lucky to get bloody just an envelope sent to Scotland. They don't bloody sofa to Botswana. So yeah. Wish me luck. Jay, wish me luck. Jay. He's giving up already. He's laying down, going to sleep. 10:30 AM. Right. Oh, I hate when I get these ideas, but I do need to get the desk set up. I do need storage space, but then you get these ideas and you think it's good at the time in your head when you plan it out, and then they deliver it and everything's fat pack, and it's just like, oh, got to put it all together. Right. I'm back in a bit of an update. I'll either be crying or laughing, or both. I don't know yet. So, there's my trusty buddy. Be helping me out, you mate. Doing a good job. Every so often throwing out a few little licks. Jay, what do you think? Bit of DIY. Enjoying it? You enjoying it? Yeah? Or maybe not. You're not enjoying the DIY? Apparently not. It's not his thing. It's all about the lounging, the barking, the sniffing, the bums. Ah, oh, that's a wet one. Alright. So what we've done so far, besides not a lot, it's your fault. It's his fault. It honestly is. Blame him. It is your fault. It's his fault. He keeps distracting me. Didn't you? Distractions. Yeah, distractions. Right, so this is what we've done so far. Boom! That is it. It's been about 20 minutes. But we've built this, look at that, look. And we've stuck them things in dowels. So in another 4 or 5 hours, we should be halfway there, I think. So once we get this bit done, we're going to crack on with the sides, aren't we, Jay? We get the sides done, connect all that up, and then we'll see the progress there. It's a bigger bookcase as well. I didn't realise at the time I bought a bigger bookcase than the last one. I was hoping they'd all be the same size, so they sort of blend together, but no. Like the desk, I've bought two different bookcases, two separate desks, two separate bookcases, and they're all different sizes. So nothing's going to match, but if it just stores all the books for now and the shoes and stuff, I'm going to come back after and explain why I'm doing this, and you can hopefully see the finished desks and the office sort of set up, because it's not just an office for the marketing websites, it's also for recording podcasts, music demos, videos, and all different things, tutorial videos. You'll see. In fact, I think it could be a delivery coming. I've got more stuff coming as well, more things to set up. I don't know where I'm going to put it all. Where am I going to put it all? So, almost there. There's the bookcase. Bookcase. Boo! Look at that. Is it the same height as the other? Yeah. Look at that beautiful workmanship. There's a bit out of line there. Look. It's not flush. Yeah, it's near enough. That's pretty good. Probably the best one I've done. Built that all from scratch. Cut the wood. Cut the trees. No, I didn't. Yeah, so we're there. Next it's the shelves. Then we start putting the books on there and other bits. And then I can get onto the desk. It's now 11:45. I did stop for 20 minutes and sit in the garden. Focused, like a focused machine thing. Pure focus. Get distracted easily, especially with this sort of stuff. I'm not a DIY person. Do it yourself. I normally get someone else to do it. So it's kind of DIY. I get someone else to do it for me. It's DIFM. That's my approach. DIFM. Do it for me. Not entirely sure. I was doing the shelving. That's good. I'm not sure what quite happened with that one. I think my concentration went a bit. What's that? Look at that. No, I think I need to focus more. Concentrate. 1:45. I'm still at it. So how are we getting on? You ready for this? Drum roll. There you go. That's the desk. I don't think I'm going to fit a computer on there. What do you reckon? Yeah. So at the moment, literally got to tighten this bit up. That'll be the whole desk. These things here stressed me out because I had built the whole thing, then realised that these holes here on there were on this side and then on the other side facing the opposite direction, so I had to take it all apart again. I'll put it back together, but now it's done. Just got to attach this bit, put the top on, and then start moving the desks around, hopefully trying to build a sort of like a corner L-shaped office space. Exciting! There we go. Desk 1, desk 2 together. Now I've just got to do a bit of organising because I've got music gear everywhere. But we're finally getting there. Time is 3:10. I'm quite pleased actually with how this last little bit's gone. Back's aching a bit, but I'll show you what we've done. We've now got 2 desks with a monitor, mixer set up. Underneath, guitar amp, printer, some storage there. Got the green screens and all my editing stuff for lighting and stuff will be going here. I think I've created more room there. This stuff here will just be my music gear piled up. Still got a little bit outside still to come in. I've got a chest of drawers coming in, which is going to replace this plastic one. I've taken the stuff out of there and it's gone on the new bookshelf here, and it will also be going down here, this new chest of drawers, and inside that will be all the leads and cables and that maybe. Yeah, that's the plan. And down the end of it, this big thing's going to go. Get all the stuff in there, that's going to go, and that will go. This is going to go, all the stuff on it, and this unit here is going to go. All the DVDs going to go. Music CDs probably going to go as well. And then get my guitar rack back out, probably here still. Oh, slowly getting there, but back's aching. But it's looking more like an actual workable office now. I quite like that. Yeah. Desk, different colours, don't matter. Got the mixer, monitor. Oh, slowly but surely. I'm hoping to finish it by tonight. So another 7-8 hours, I reckon. Probably done. I've got to set up the shelf, the next chest of drawer thing there to put all the cables and leads and wires in, and then try and find room for that. Get in there. So I'm in day 3, and I think I'm finally gonna get everything finished setting up wise, as in building all the stuff. And then it's a matter of moving things around one final time to try and create some space. And I actually had an idea. I'm gonna try and do like a city auction to try and sell off some of my stuff that I don't need anymore and don't want. And then I'll give a percentage to charity and all that stuff. Plus that will also fund setting up the podcast. Manual came through like this, and I saw that and I was like, oh no, how am I gonna build this? And all the screws in that came in a massive bag all mixed up. But what I've actually done is just put them all into little groups, and it still doesn't make sense to me, but it feels a bit better. And now I've just got to try and match up the numbers to what's on there, and hopefully it all will correspond. So now I can start actually trying to build the unit, add in the runners and stuff. What I can't work out is which way the runners face. Oh yeah, I can. The big bit at the front, and I assume that'll be the front bit there, the clean bit. Oh, I just don't want to get it all put on there and realise I've put it on the wrong way round. Don't get it, saying do not put the bottom runner on just yet. Why not? Oh, I don't get it. I don't get it. You don't put the bottom runner on until when? Till later on. Okay. So it's just 3 runners, I think. Cool. Well, we're going to get started then. So I've built there all the drawers. That's one drawer. Over here we've got all the different parts. Wish me luck. It's going to take me a couple of hours, I think. It's a bigger unit than this one that I built. Which is still standing. Still standing. I'm still standing better than I ever did. Let's do it. I'm ready. Pumped. Pumped. Pumped.